In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brand your emails in HoneyBook, focusing on logos and themes. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to your communications or make your brand stand out, customizing your emails is an essential part of your business strategy. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll need to start by navigating to your HoneyBook account. Once you're logged in, look for your profile photo. It's typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll see a drop-down menu. From there, you want to select Company Settings. This is where you'll find the tools you need to start branding your emails. Once you've accessed the company settings, the next place to head is the branding section. Think of this as your one-stop shop for everything related to the visual identity of your emails. Here, you'll have the opportunity to make changes that truly reflect your brand's personality. One of the first things you'll want to do is upload your logo. Your logo is the most visual representation of your brand, and having it included in your emails can boost brand recognition among your clients or recipients. Simply click on the upload option and choose the file from your computer. Make sure it's a high-quality image that looks professional across all devices. After you've taken care of the logo, it's time to move on to selecting your brand colors and fonts. The colors you choose should align with your current branding. Consistency is key to building a strong brand, so consider using the same color palette you use on your website or other marketing materials. Similarly, pick a font that complements your overall brand style. A font that's easy to read on all screens is ideal. Next up is adding your email signature. This step is crucial as it serves as the final bow to your email presentation. An email signature summarizes who you are and how people can contact you. Include essential details such as your name, title, and contact information. You might also want to add your website URL or social media handles to drive more engagement with your audience. Once you've entered all these details, your logo, brand colors, font, and email signature, it's important to ensure everything looks just right. Double check that the colors and fonts are consistent and that your logo displays correctly. When you're satisfied with your adjustments, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This will apply all the changes across your future emails, ensuring that everything you send out is perfectly branded. By following these steps, you're not just adding a touch of professionalism to your emails, but also reinforcing your brand's identity every time you hit send. Thank you for watching, and happy branding in HoneyBook.